Do you ever feel like you're drowning in bills and expenses? Do you struggle to make ends meet every month? If so, you're not alone. Many people find it difficult to manage their finances and create a budget that works for them. But creating a budget doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, it can be a simple and effective way to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. In this video, we'll show you how to create a budget and stick to it. We'll cover everything from setting financial goals to tracking your expenses and making adjustments along the way. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to create a budget that works for you in your unique financial situation. So let's get started. The first step in creating a budget is to set financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or take a dream vacation? Whatever your goals may be, it's important to write them down and make them specific. This will help you stay motivated and focused on what you want to achieve. Once you have your goals in mind, it's time to prioritize them. Which goals are most important to you? Which ones will have the biggest impact on your life? Next, you'll need to determine how much money you need to save each month to achieve your goals. This will help you create a realistic budget that takes your goals into account. Finally, make sure to track your progress towards your goals. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments to your budget as needed. By setting financial goals, you'll have a clear roadmap for your budget and be more likely to achieve the financial success you desire. Now that you've set your financial goals, it's time to track your expenses. This is an important step in creating a budget because it helps you understand where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. There are many ways to track your expenses, from using a budgeting app to keeping a spreadsheet or even writing them down in a notebook. Whatever method you choose, make sure to categorize your expenses so you can see where you're spending the most money. Once you've tracked your expenses for a month or two, take a look at where you're spending the most money. Are there any areas where you can cut back? Make a plan to reduce your expenses in these areas and stick to it. This will help you stay on track with your budget and achieve your financial goals. By tracking your expenses, you'll have a better understanding of your spending habits and be able to make adjustments to your budget as needed. Now that you've set your financial goals and tracked your expenses, it's time to create a realistic budget. Start by inputting your income and expenses into a budgeting app or spreadsheet. Make sure to include all of your expenses, from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to make adjustments. Are there any areas where you can cut back? Are there any expenses that you can eliminate altogether? Make sure to prioritize your financial goals and allocate enough money towards them each month. This will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Remember, creating a budget is not about depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about making smart financial decisions that will help you achieve your goals and live the life you want. By creating a realistic budget, you'll be able to take control of your finances and achieve the financial success you desire. Congratulations, you've created a budget. But the work doesn't stop there. The key to financial success is sticking to your budget. Make sure to track your expenses regularly and adjust your budget as needed. If you overspend in one category, make sure to cut back in another to stay within your budget. Set reminders for bill payments and make sure to pay them on time. Late fees and interest charges can add up quickly and derail your budget. Plan for unexpected expenses by setting aside money in an emergency fund. This will help you avoid dipping into your savings or going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Finally, stay motivated by celebrating your financial successes. Whether it's paying off a credit card or reaching a savings goal, take time to acknowledge your progress and keep moving forward. By sticking to your budget, you'll be able to achieve your financial goals and live the life you want. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your financial journey.